good morning or afternoon, depending on where you're from. I'm just stopping by to tell you that I'm still here. Even though I haven't been stitching as much, I have been on a health and weight loss journey since the beginning of the year. So I created a new channel for that just because this is a stitching channel and I didn't know who would be interested in hearing my story. So if you are interested in hearing my story, I will put a link to my new channel in the description and you can go over there and hear all about what I've been up to for the past 6 months or so. So the reason I haven't been stitching as much is because some of that time that I used to stitch is now being used to cook healthy meals at home and exercise, and the result is that I was able to reverse type 2 diabetes naturally in about 3 months, and so far I've lost 38 pounds. So that's a quick summary of what's been going on. Again, if you want to hear more details about my journey, you can go and check out my other channel. Link will be in the description, and I hope you have a great day. Before you go, here's a sneak peek at my latest project. If you've been following me for a while, you know I like beads and shiny things. So this project has a lot of that. I still need to edit the video, but hopefully I will get it up by the end of the week or the week after. We'll see.